The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
When a franchise like the Detroit Lions, that's been an NFL punching bag for decades, finally finds itself back on the brink of a Super Bowl, fans are going to watch the game no matter what. But General Motors is cool with it. The automaker is delaying a shift at one of its factories in Flint so employees can watch the Lions play the San Francisco 49ers in the NFC Championship game. According to the Detroit Free Press, GM is pushing back the start of the third shift at a Flint assembly plant by 1 hour on Sunday. It's a nice gesture to the plant employees, and it's significant considering the plant builds the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra, two of the top 10 selling vehicles in the U.S. UAW Local 598 shop chairman Eric Welter cheered the move, even though employees will lose an hour of pay. He said, quote, "They don't want to work it anyhow, so no one is complaining about losing the hour's pay. It's not an hour of the regular 40 hours, it's their overtime, so they'll make it up somewhere else." After the UAW strikes last year, the decision by GM is an especially amicable one. In November, the automaker said its earnings took a $1.1 billion hit due to the strike that resulted in a 6-week production stoppage. Ford and Stellantis, the other two automakers involved in the 2023 strikes, also have plants in Michigan. However, it's unclear if they'll also be adjusting their schedules to accommodate the Lions. Ford didn't immediately respond to the Free Press's inquiries, but the company did post a rousing hype video on its press page. However, Stellantis spokeswoman Jody Tinson did respond, telling the publication, quote, "While we celebrate that success and root for another win against the San Francisco 49ers, Stellantis will run normal production schedules on Sunday to meet the expectations of our customers and dealers." I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.